Morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening, 13th September, and time for final update on the Pepino Melon. It's been about an 18-month project, but yeah, we're basically at the end of their growing season, so I just wanted to show you a fruit, as last year was obviously first year growing, so didn't get anything, but yeah, I just wanted to do full cycle on starting for the growing the plant to final fruiting. So let me show you. So in 2020, about halfway through, I started growing that plant, which is the Pepino Melon. It's been potted up and then it was just left in that pot, so it hasn't actually really benefited from additional goodness. You can see it's got a little bit of flower to it, but it hasn't produced the fruit. Start of this year, so 2021, I took some cuttings and did some division, so that gave me an extra 4 plants, which went from small pots straight into these larger ones. Probably for next year they will have to go up into some bigger pots to really try and get something from them. You'll see that some of them again have produced flower this year. It tends to be that the pepinos need to have a second year before they start doing much. So it was a bit surprising to see fruit produced on these newer ones. So that's one fruit which may or may not ripen fully. There was another small fruit somewhere. Oh, there we are, tucked behind the chair leg. So that is showing signs of ripening. But here is one that I've left on to show you. So there was another one there, but this one here has now got to ripening stage, because you can see all the markings and the fact that it's changed colour from the pale to develop the sort of orange tint to it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the full part really. It's still hard, so I reckon I'll probably just leave it well, I would say until we get a bit more sun, but it's probably not going to happen. I'll probably just leave it another couple of days and then take that off. So you just want it so that it has a bit more give in it, so that's still quite hard, but just wanted to show you whilst the weather is actually holding. So here we are, a few days on from when I did the last little bit, and you see the colours have come out much better. It's got a little bit more squidge to it, not a lot, but with the forecast it's not looking like it's going to get any warmer, so I think I'm going to take it off before it starts spoiling. You can see that it's getting a little bit marked up, but yeah, I'm going to take that off and show you. Let's go for it. There you are. So that's the inside, lovely and clean, thank goodness. Would be nothing worse if we'd cut it open and it's full of maggots. So it's got that nice sweet smell about it. Not really sure what the smell is. It's not melon, but it's not cucumber either. It's quite sweet though. Nice. Well, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, videos actually. Hopefully you've watched the whole collection on growing pepino start to finish. So yeah, I guess I can answer your questions on how to grow them now. So yeah, thanks for watching the videos. If you've got any questions, send them over to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos, and more importantly, just, you know, as always, have fun in your garden, enjoy doing what you're doing. if you've got some nice fruit or veg that you're growing, go and enjoy those. But yeah, till next time, see you soon. Bye for now.